welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. If you're new here, a very warm welcome, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers always come back, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is just a really quick one, and I'm going to put a disclaimer right out there from the very beginning, because knowing my luck, this is my luck. Fitness, exercise, anything like that is not, I repeat, not something I do on this channel. The last time I done something completely random, which was a balloon arch, the video ended up going viral and the channel got overtaken by balloons. So this time I'm just putting it out there. Please do not subscribe if you're looking for a fitness station. This is not it. But what I did want to share with you is recently I saw a girl on TikTok and she was hula hooping. I think she had started it throughout like the first initial lockdown, and she just made it look so good and so cool that I thought, you know what, let me order one and see how it goes. So I ordered a hula hoop, and I have recently been doing it a little bit. I've been doing 30 minutes in the evening. And I thought, oh, you know, I'll just share a quick video on, you know, like my Insta stories. And literally, like, I've had so many messages and so many conversations about hula hooping. It's actually crazy. And a lot of you was like a bit unsure on how to hoop, or everyone says, I'm not gonna know how to do it, or I'm not gonna be able to keep it up. How do you keep it up? How do you keep it up? I'm not even joking. I have got the worst coordination that you could even imagine. Like, I've literally got such bad coordination, and I am not a hula hooper, like, at all. Like, you know, the kids ones, no. I haven't tried it recently now that I know the technique, but beforehand I couldn't keep it up to save my life. When I got this, I couldn't keep it up to save my life. But I thought I'd tell you in one place, like, quickly, why I started hula hooping, like what kind of benefits you could look to have, and then I'm going to quickly show you as well how to actually do it. It's super simple, going to take a few minutes, so let's just jump right in. So this is the hoop that I have the smooth hoop. You can also get a wavy design. The reason I've got the smooth one is because the smooth one is, I think, thought to be a little bit more known to go to starters, because the wavy one basically is a little bit more intense on your belly. Obviously it's got the wave pattern to it, so as it's going around your body, it's going to be pressing into your body on those wave bits a little bit more. So I believe the wavy one is most sought out by people who are quite experienced or have hula hooped for a little while. However, that's not to say you cannot start with a wavy one. I also know people have started with a wavy one. So yeah, I've got the smooth one, and I got my one from corebalance.co.uk, I believe it is. I'll put the address just here on screen so you can see. When I got mine, like I said, I saw a girl on TikTok and I think her videos were going viral, so when I ordered mine, it was $14.99. It's 1 kg weighted one. It was $14.99 including delivery. However, now I have noticed, since I've been giving out the link over on Instagram, it's gone up to $24.99 with free delivery. Though that's not like you don't have to pay anything else for delivery, but they do have a voucher on their website that says 10% off. I think it's like an Insta code or something like that. So what I would say is, whilst $24.99 does seem expensive, I'm not even joking, this thing is so good. I do it for half an hour in the evening, and it does not, like, I despise exercise, and I just thought, you know, I want to like get a little bit healthier, and I absolutely hate exercise. The only exercise like I don't mind doing is when I put a little fitness video on with the kids and we do it in the sitting room, but I just hate exercising, and hula hooping does not make you feel like you're exercising at all. So I would definitely recommend it if you don't like exercising, or even if you do like exercising, I would still recommend it. I know it's good for your, obviously, overall, because exercise is good for your overall body anyway. It's particularly good for your core, because obviously you're working all your stomach muscles in your core, and it definitely does burn and trim weight around the waist, because obviously you can imagine it's going round and around and around your waist, and that's the part of your body you're moving most, so you're mostly using your core muscles. However, you do get a full body workout, because it is more work than you care to realise that it is, but you don't feel like it at the same time. Does that make sense, or is that too contradicting? I don't know, Jade. What I also do, which I might do a separate video on, and I might label it me looking like a wally, I don't know, because I might look a little bit crazy, but what I also do to get the most out of hula hooping is I literally chuck on my headphones. So I think it's really good for your mental health when you do this, because you chuck on your headphones and you literally put on your favourite music and you zone out and just literally move your body however you want to move it, like whatever you want to do, move your body, and literally, I promise you, by the end of the session you are sweating. What I was also thinking of doing, let me know if you want to do this or not, I was also thinking of doing a separate video for like when you're hooping or when you're exercising in general, just with some like bad beat music on it, like, just, you know, like when you're exercising and you're feeling like, yeah, like you're really feeling yourself. So I thought I'd put like together a little track of some songs that will make you feel yourself and push you hard through your exercise. So on average, women will burn about 150 calories per half an hour while hula hooping, and men on average will burn about 200 calories per half hour hooping. I tend to, when I first started, it was about 140 I'd burn per half an hour. Now I can get to about 100, and it'd be about 190 in half an hour, so I stay an extra like minute, so it's about 31-32 minutes and I burn 200 calories. So I think that is absolutely amazing, and like I said, I have fun while I'm doing it. No lie, I'm not joking with you, it's actually very, very fun. If you are interested in this particular hula hoop, I will leave the link in the description box down below. It's not an affiliate, it's not an ad, it's not a sales, it's literally just, I thought I would come on here and show you in one place because I've had so many questions about it, and I know a lot of people are like, how do you hoop? So yeah, without further ado though, I'm just going to jump right in and show you the technique of how you do it, because I know that we always think when you get a hula hoop you go round and round and round with your waist. However, actually it's not round and round and round, so let's jump right into that bit of the video. Right, so for the next part of the video, I'm going to quickly show you how to know that it's the right size hoop for you, and also how to do the hula hoop, like what's the technique to it. So if you're going to try and use a small hula hoop, you're going to fail, because if you're not an experienced hula hooper, like, you know, these people that you see doing it for like their job, you know, like in the circus and stuff, it's going to be really hard because the circle's so small, and when it's smaller it goes around your body faster, so you can't keep it up. Whereas when it's a bigger hoop, you've got enough time to kind of rotate to make the hoop go round. So you're going to base your hula hoop at the bottom of your toes, just in front of your toes, and then measure where it comes up to. If it comes up to about your navel, then that's kind of where you want it to be. These ones do come in segments, and I believe that adult kind of 1K adult weighted hoops are around the same size anyway. But yeah, the bigger the hoop, it's kind of like the easier it is to try and get it around your body. So the technique to it, even though we're made to believe when growing up, like every time you think about hula hooping, you think about like really moving your hips all the way around. Like when you do that, it's literally going to make your hoop go down, because it's not the right movement. I don't know why, it's just not the right movement. So the movement you need to be at is either side to side or back and front, like whichever one feels more comfortable for you. I tend to use side to side, but obviously when I'm trying to mix it up, I do a bit of back and front as well, but side to side is what works easiest for me. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're moving the part of your body that you want the hoop to stay up. So if you're going to be moving your waist, it's going to stay around your waist. If you falls down and you're moving your hips, it's going to stay up around your hips, and so forth. If it goes down to your legs, I think that's how you keep it up around your legs as well. I can't do that yet. But anyway, so yeah, you're just going to do a nice steady movement of side to side. You're going to spin it and just move side, side, side. The first time you do it, or the first few times you do it, you're probably going to feel like, yeah, you know, it's going to drop down, you can't do it. When I first started, honestly, it was dropping down every minute. I saw Lou keeping it up for longer than me, but he had his arms in the air and he was doing all of this stuff. So I started doing all of that and joining him. And yeah, it kept the hoop up, but one, it was mighty hard work, and two, it's not how you do it because you look a bit silly. So yeah, you literally just keep going side to side, and you'll find that it just naturally just stays up. Or like I said, you can go back to front if you want, if you find that comfortable. What you want to do as well is you want to make sure that so I spin it that way for my comfort one, but you can't just stay in your comfort zone, you need to spin it the opposite way as well. Once you spin it the opposite way, that's going to make it feel like, even for me, once you spin it the opposite way, that's going to make you feel like, hold on a minute, I can't hoop no more. But bit of practice, and honestly you'll be able to do it that way as well. It's like literally just everything comes with practice. Obviously the faster you go, like if I want to turn to side and I want to go faster, your hoop's going to go faster, or the slower you go, you're going to have like a more relaxed one. When you're doing it, it just depends on what you want to achieve. Like obviously if you go faster, your heartbeat's going to be up, you're going to burn more, whereas if you go slower, you're going to have a more relaxed one. It's not, you're still going to burn calories, but it's just going to be like a more laid back, relaxed one. So it just depends on what you feel like doing. But yeah, that is literally as simple as it is. If you still don't really understand, or I haven't explained it clear enough, do let me know in the comment box down below, and I will try and help you as much as I can. I literally just chuck it on, I put my headphones on, I zone out, and I just go around the living room doing a little jog, doing little jumps, putting my arms up and down, punching forward, like whatever I do just to like make my heartbeat go a bit higher, so I can, you know, burn a little bit more. But you can do whatever you want. You can put on YouTube and find a like hula hoop workout video if you wanted to. I'm pretty sure there's people doing that. If you are interested in a second video of me showing you like how to, because obviously you're going to try and run, and literally the minute you try it's going to drop down because it takes learning. So if you are interested and you want me to do a second video to kind of show you how to do the like little runs, or how to, you know, involve a little bit more movement, then go ahead and let me know in the comment box down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. But I think that is literally it. I think we've literally covered everything, and I hope it was as clear as possible. You know, I'm no expert at fitness or exercise or anything like that. I'm literally just telling you what I do. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, do please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around. And like I said already, I'll leave the link to this particular hula hoop down in the box below if you want. If not, you can check out like eBay or Amazon, somewhere else like that. But I got my one from the same place as I saw the girl get her one from. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Good luck. Come over and tag me like on Instagram in your stories when you try and get. I want to see you all try and get as well. Let me know how you get on, and until the next video, take care. Bye.